quantum computing stocks, nuclear power stocks, cryptocurrency, cannabis, and indeed heavily shorted stocks all got hammered today in the session of today, the 8th of January 2025. The carnage began with a comment from Nvidia Corp's CEO, Jensen Huang, at a CES tech conference in Las Vegas about how quantum computers could still be 20 years away. That helped trigger a punishing sell-off in shares of LGTI and IONQ and even up to QBTS. So we'll just kick off with quantum with RGTI down 45% at some point. Or at some point, I think the gain was actually more than 50%. So we're looking at the stock now closing below its 20-day moving average. This stock has, like I've been pointing out, since October, it's been finding support from its 10-period moving average. Today, it breached that. The last time it ever closed below that 10-day moving average was all the way back in November. Today, it is down 45%. But don't we all know that quantum computing stocks are, yes, as much as they are 20 years away from being coming into fruition? Don't we all know that? We all definitely most certainly know that. You know, what's going to happen? Is this, are we going to see a rebound, or is it going to be the end? Is this going to be what we saw earlier on with these stocks? We saw them, spike some time ago in the past. Are we going to see? Is this? I mean, is this the end? Maybe or maybe not. Maybe or maybe not. What the difference between now and then is that Google is involved. Google is involved. It's a case of Nvidia against Google, because Google is backing quantum computing to the hilt. And Nvidia CEO is a bit. Maybe you never know. It's maybe they're not ready yet. Maybe they're not as ready as Google is. What do we have here? We have momentum has suddenly weakened, suddenly projecting a weakness, because it's now crunching. It has now crunched a very low numbers. You would not naturally, you would expect it to project downward. So we have a support of downward projection of $2.71. Yeah, 2.71. We saw the stock trade all the way towards let's get it all the way towards yesterday it closed at 20.1. Now we're now looking at a possible downward projection all the way down to $2.66 or thereabout. Well, is this the end? Maybe not. Maybe. Like I pointed out, this time it's a bit different now. Now it's a bit different. Then it wasn't. There was nobody. There wasn't any proper backing. This time around we have Google talking about them, talking about a chip and all that stuff they have for quantum computing. So it's a bit different now. It's a bit different, in as much as there's no guarantee that we're not going to see further declines. We're not, in as much as see that, in as much as there's no guarantee that we're going to see a rebound. But fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's see what's going to happen. So we're not seeing any upper projections here. No downward projection on this 4-hour chart. No downward projection is printed here. In as much as everything is pointing towards weakness and momentum and lower prices in the coming days. But let's see. Okay, let's quickly have a look at QBTS. QBTS. Okay, this is just a 4-hour chart. We have a downward projection here of 4.74. Let's quickly have a look at its daily chart and see what we have there. Okay, let's see what we have. We have let's get this upper projection. You might be thinking, why would I be talking about an upper projection? We have 11.34 on this daily chart. There isn't any down projection, just as there isn't any on Rgti. Yeah. Okay, so let's move on to IONQ. 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 Okay, up rather down 30% as well, 39%. Okay, we have a down projection. It had earlier on. It has broken through that support. There isn't any further downward projection on IO and Q as well. We might just have a look at its 4-hour chart. Let's see whether we have anything there. Okay, there isn't any in the. There are no downward projections in the 4-hour chart. Upper projection, we have I would say they're just about getting negated. We have 52.55. You must be thinking, why on earth am I even talking about that? There is indeed also an upper projection, a proper upper projection in play here. We have 38.5 for IUNQ. This is based on its 4-hour chart. And it's actually projecting that rebound momentum is going to pick up on IONQ on its 4-hour chart. Okay, let's see what's going on with CURR, CURR. Um, let's see, up 182.01%, showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. Got a reject. Okay, yesterday, this it's yet today. As a matter of fact, rejected at 5.16 today. As a matter of fact, this is not the first time it's doing this. Okay, all the way back in December, it did the same thing, spiked and got a rejection at 7.46, pulled back, corrected, and spiked again. Then after that spike of December 18th, an upper projection of 11.92 was printed. Even higher projections was even a higher projection was even printed, 12.45. Just a few days ago, it was some strength was being speculated, and we've seen it print all the way towards a 5.08. But the highs are getting lower. You can see that they are getting lower. They're not getting any higher. Something to really be careful about. Okay, let's look at its daily chart and see. Let's see. Okay, we don't have. It's broke through all its upper projection of the 3.06. Momentum is expected to remain strong. Yeah. Okay, let's quickly move on to Nvidia. Nvidia, the source of what we are looking at, the decline in quantum stocks today. Okay, so let's see. Nvidia strongly bullish. We have upper projection of 157.77. We saw it. It's got a rejection at 149.73 yesterday. Yeah. Momentum is not expected to be that strong as such. Okay, let's quickly move on to FUBO. FUBO, I think, has given up some ground. Strongly bullish 2 days of gains, and then today it's down 2%. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Tuesday, the 21st of January. Yeah. There's a downward projection here of $1.92 for FUBO. Okay, let's look at SILO. Silo pharmacy, okay, up 56.86%. We've seen a strength that has ensured that it broke through three upper projections, and momentum is expected to remain strong up till Tuesday, the 21st of January, and higher prices are projected. Okay, so let's see now. Let's look at its 4-hour chart and see what we have. Okay, got a rejection at $1.92. Okay, so let's move on to SANA. SANA, okay, let's see what we have here. Up 160.61%. Got a rejection at $7.1. Okay, so showing strength within a longer term bearish trend. 200-day moving average is sloping bearishly lower, and saw it. We've seen it. It broke through an upper projection of 2.78. It's currently trading closed above that moving average. Momentum is expected to remain strong up till Wednesday, the 22nd of January. Okay, yeah, so let's move on to ALTM. ALTM, let's see what's going on here. Acadium Lithium PLC up 8.16%. Upper projections, do we have anything there? Okay, so the stock is showing strength within a longer term bullish trend as well. There's a there are downward projections here: 4.84, 4.65, and 4.55, and then it's a 200-day moving average at roughly 4.11. Let's get it. Hour charts and see. Let's see what we have here on 1 hour chart for ALTM. There might be a couple of downward projections, but we haven't. I don't think really there's any upper projection there. The stock gained down 8.1%. Okay, let's get the 4 hour chart and see. Yeah, nothing really dramatic there. Okay, let's see LAES. Okay, seals crop. Let's see what we have. We have a downward projection. We have the stock lost 26.22%. Indeed, quantum computing stock. No downward projection is projected. Nothing has been calculated. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay. Regardless of what Jensen Huang said, there's still an upper projection of 10.42 on sales LSQ. And there are no downward projections here at all. No. Okay, there is indeed a down projection all the way down to 0.9592. Yeah. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of all of these stocks: Rgti, QBTS, IONQ, and LAES. So these stocks, quantum computing stocks, yeah, there's a negativity towards them I would say it's not negative. It's just a bold bold statement in with regards to these stocks. It's not really a criticism or anything. But it's just I mean, we all know that. As I indicated earlier on. Let's see, more on quantum stocks. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.